Hi, everyone. I'm Josh Radbod, co-founder and CEO of the PBC Conference, the B2B conference for payments, banking, and compliance in the cannabis industry. I'd like to welcome Bill Ranta, Vice President of Revenue at IPPay, one of our PBC Conference sponsors. Bill, thank you so much for being here. Please tell us a little bit about you and what your business does.
Thanks, Josh. We are a full service direct card processors for both card not present and retail businesses across the nation.
Fantastic. So you guys have a cannabis vertical, is that right? Can you tell me a little bit about that?
We do. Cannabis obviously is challenging for both banking and processing. So we have three legitimate solutions that work. So I call them alternative payment forms because clearly we can't use the normal rails of Visa and MasterCard for cannabis transactions because of federal legality issues. So I've been in it for 5 or 6 years, toiling with cannabis transactions. So I feel the pain of the dispensary owners, the growers, the manufacturers, and so on.
Fantastic. And you all work with, like you said, cultivators, processors, distributors, anybody in the industry who's looking for help. Is that right?
That's correct. We get bombarded when states go live, right, with general consumption. There's a lot live for medicinal, and then there's more coming live every day for general consumption. So, we try to be prepared for the onslaught when we're boarding. There's a lot of paperwork, a lot of explaining because they're under the impression they can only take cash, right? But that is not the case. They don't have to take cash. They have alternatives. So, there's a lot of education, I guess, to dispel trust rumors associated with just taking cash.
Perfect. Thank you so much for that. And what are you most excited for about PBC 2021?
Well, it's a chance to get both bank, federal people, banking people, and payment people all in the same room, right? Because I feel pain on the banking side because we have to have legitimate accounts to pay, right? We're a payment processor. We pay people. That's our job, right? We like to do that. Bags of money every day. And they're electronic bags of money. So it's hard for me to do that when banks are confused, auditors are confused, and the federal government is confused. So these types of get-togethers can hopefully get them on the same page. It's my hope.
Perfect. Yeah, thank you so much for that. That's why we put this together. So appreciate that. And what is one fact about you that would surprise everyone?
About me. My college football line coach was Nick Saban.
Who would have thought? That's cool.
True story.
Very cool.
He was not. I was not at Alabama, by the way. He was a young man. So was I. So
That's fantastic. Very cool. Well, Bill, thank you so much for being here and for sponsoring our conference. Folks, if you would like to meet Bill and his team, please join us on September 9th and 10th at the Washington Capitol Hilton in DC. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Josh.